Hello, Mom, Dad, and everybody following, especially my 8 subscribers that I now have on YouTube. Thank you so much. That's awesome. Much love. Appreciate it. So I haven't been out much lately in the last, 2 weeks, I think, just with school and work and all that. But the Dishman Hills Natural Area is very close to where I live, so I needed some fresh air and exercise, and it was a perfect excuse to get out and at least get a little bit of hiking done before I have to get back to the grind. So this will be kind of my last video for a hot minute while I square all that stuff away. But it was beautiful, views were amazing, lots of pretty wildflowers, so I hope you enjoy.
So I'm not exactly on the original trail that I intended to hike today. There's a lot of sub-trails in here, networks, and I kind of stopped paying attention for a bit to all trails for guidance, and I've actually been happily diverted because I have to say the views are amazing, just like this. So this is supposed to be, I think, Eagle Peak or somewhere close to it is what All Trails says. Yeah, I'm not disappointed at all that I wandered off of my original intended trail. So I just finished my hike at Dishman Hills Natural Area. I did about 5 miles today. It's pretty extensive. There's a lot of small trails that make up giant loops, and they have the trails color-coded that they have tacked on trees, and periodically they have posts that you can actually track the color codes to figure out where you're going. The problem is a lot of those have been taken down or vandalized, so take a picture on the little kiosk at the trailheads before you go, or have something available. Take a picture if there's one intact. I was using All Trails a lot today to kind of navigate. I've used it a lot in the past to get through trails where I wasn't sure where I was going, and never had any trouble with it. And today, actually a couple times, I don't know if it was lagging or what was going on with it, but I would think I was following someplace and moving along the trail in the right direction, and then it would just kind of freeze and I would reload, and it would end up that I was way off trail. And that's kind of how I ended up doing Eagle Peak unintentionally, which was still fine. It was really beautiful, worth it. Made kind of a way extra section off of the deep ravine trail that I really didn't mean to make, because I kind of ended up again off trail. So I don't know what the deal with All Trails was today, but all in all, it's a great hike. It's actually very close in town. You kind of feel like you're in the middle of nowhere, but really the whole time you're hiking, you can hear traffic and sirens and things like that, because it's right here in Spokane Valley, so super easy to get to. Plenty to hike and do. I mean, I just did 5 miles easily, and I don't even think I covered but a fraction of the actual trail system. So worth coming back. Definitely bring maps, bring something like that next time you come. But all in all, it was worth it. Have a good one.